Today I'm going to show you a really easy trick to make a rose. We're going to start off by making what I'm calling a cinnamon roll swirl. So just kind of a curly cue that goes around a couple of times and ends towards the side. And then you're going to draw kind of a U-shaped, a flowy looking U-shape down from the cinnamon roll swirl. You can already see the rose taking shape now. Next, I'm going to add 2 vertical lines coming down from the swirl that gives the effect of the rose petals, and then 1 line coming around the front of the rose that also indicates the rose petals. I'm going to go around the whole design a little bit more just to thicken up the lines so it pops really nicely. I'm going to switch over to this Posca paint pen. My Thule Art green pen is out of ink, but I'm going to use this Posca paint pen to create the stem and a couple of leaves off of the stem. Now let's try it with a different color combination. This rock is base coated with black paint, and I'm going to take my Thule Art neon pink pen and draw the same design, and I'm also going to use a neon green for the stem and leaves. I love how simple this design is. I saw something similar on Pinterest and thought it would be a really neat design for a rock, and it's kind of timely to be around Mother's Day because this could be a neat Mother's Day card. Instead of a card, why not give a rock that lasts forever? Now let's come back to that original rose, and I'm going to add a small little poem on here. So, sorry Mom, your gift is going to be put out for the whole internet to see a few days before Mother's Day, but I'm going to write a Roses Are Red poem on here and give this to my mom for Mother's Day, which is also kind of ironic because she loves to write Roses Are Red poems in all of our cards. The kids, the adults, everybody gets a Roses Are Red appropriate poem, whether it's a birthday, Easter, Halloween, that's what she puts in there. Now let's take a look at our finished product and a couple variations. Here's the neon rose, and I think this one might be my favorite because of how the resin darkened the stone and made the colors just pop. And this one I played around with some black outlines to give it a little more definition and kind of a 3D look. And circling back to where we started, here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this trick and that you can put it to good use. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. Spoil your mama on Mother's Day, and I will see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.